caregiver, I want to say that it has been a long journey since 2021 when my daughter was diagnosed with blood cancer, that is leukemia. But I want to thank God because He has walked with us the journey. I also want to challenge my colleague parents outside there that whenever you see symptoms like nose bleeding that is not normal and some swellings that do not go, kindly see the doctor, and when you get the right diagnosis, the child will be treated and the child will get well. I also want to challenge the community that have got a negative opinion about this, that this is a medical condition that can be treated and the children can do well in life, because we even have some people here who are diagnosed with the same condition several years back and they are still surviving. So it is treatable. It has not been easy financially. It drains. It drains financially, and whenever you can support a person who maybe is undergoing this in one way or the other, please do. It drains financially, but with the Lord, all has been possible, and we thank Him for that. It has not been easy, sincerely. I'm a teacher. I'm expected to be in class. I'm expected to be a caregiver to the young one. It has been a very challenging journey. I'm a mother to also some other siblings to the girl. But the Lord has been faithful. I have been having a very understanding staff, and I want to thank them, the staff of Kalando, for being with me and even my family members and friends. But the Lord has been God since the journey began. My urge to the community is that these kind of conditions or medical conditions can be treated. We have people here who have been treated or who are treated long time ago and they have survived. So kindly, if we have people like this, let us take them to the right medication centers for them to get treatment. Let us not ignore them. These are not demons, these are not evils, these are medical conditions like the other. When diagnosed early enough, the patients will do well.